Well, at first, this kind of technology would go towards extremely valuable purposes. For example, someone in urgent need of medical care, perhaps someone who requires around-the-clock support, a person who is quadriplegic or someone in a condition that truly demands continuous physical assistance. That kind of situation can be life-altering. These would be among the most important early applications. This quote from Elon Musk struck a deep chord with us because it was not just about machines or innovation. It was about kindness and empathy. There are places where care is needed, but no human is available. There are environments where people need protection because the risks are too high. In life, we all want comfort. We do not want the elderly to face their days alone or people to feel isolated when they are left by themselves. Everyone has heard that Optimus was created by Elon Musk and Tesla to support people with repetitive work, take care of tasks at home, and assist in elder care. But have you ever really understood the larger vision behind this creation? Sure, being capable of acting like a nurse is not the only trait that will make a humanoid robot successful, but we must admit, it is one of the most essential ones. Most care facilities cannot provide full-time nurses to every person. And nobody wants a robot nurse that just stands around doing nothing. Before we go any further, let us welcome you to AMP Drive. If you find this kind of content meaningful, please consider subscribing and turning on notifications so you can stay updated on everything related to Tesla and Optimus. Just recently, Elon Musk confirmed that the Tesla Bot version 3 will feature a much higher number of degrees of freedom. This is a crucial update that will allow the robot to move and respond more like a human being than ever before. It is designed to carry out nearly 3,000 useful actions and is scheduled for a November release during what will be Tesla's biggest production launch to date. So naturally, people are asking, how much is this Tesla Bot version 3 going to cost? And when will Tesla begin selling them to the public? To answer that, let us begin with the main hope, that every dollar spent on this robot gives back much more in value. People today are living with limited financial resources. Government aid is stretched thin. Retirement funds do not stretch as far as they used to. According to Elon Musk, you will be able to change the voice, personalize the robot's character, and over time, it will learn your habits and understand your preferences. You might not even need to speak commands, because it will already know what you need. Recently, Musk mentioned that Tesla's humanoid robot, Optimus, could take on the role of a full-time assistant, or even work as a nurse who is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Imagine that, a robot that never gets tired, never needs rest, and is always ready to help. During a chat with Tesla owners Silicon Valley on July 27, 2025, Musk gave us a real glimpse of the future, one where Optimus supports human caregivers, especially in tough and dangerous situations or when tasks are monotonous and exhausting. Optimus version 3 is expected to include the powerful Grok 4 artificial intelligence and will have real-time health tracking built into its core. According to reports from within Tesla, this robot will be able to process millions of medical data points in seconds, change care plans instantly, and even manage challenging tasks such as moving patients, setting up medical gear, and maybe even handling some simple medical tasks. What makes it even more useful is that it will work completely on its own, understanding the environment and interacting naturally with both people and machines. It will use high-quality cameras and accurate sensors to move safely through crowded areas, helping patients and staff without causing disruptions. But what really matters is how this works in real-life high-stress places, like areas with infections, or places that physically push human workers to their limits. Can a robot like Optimus truly make a difference in those situations? You might find the answer surprising. Optimus has a hand with 22 degrees of movement and highly sensitive touch sensors in its fingertips. Not long ago, at the Tesla diner, you could watch it carefully hold an empty paper cup without crushing it, then smoothly switch to handing out popcorn without any trouble. Now think about how important that level of control is in a hospital. Optimus could ease the pressure on medical staff by cleaning wounds, helping healing progress, and lowering the chance of infections. Nurses could then spend more time offering emotional care and using their medical knowledge while Optimus takes over the physically draining jobs. The world is dealing with a serious shortage of nurses, and this kind of help could be a big step forward. But yes, we have to be honest, there will be problems. Safety, performance, and public confidence are still major challenges. Even with smart artificial intelligence and next-level design, a small mistake or misreading could cause serious issues. There are also concerns about digital threats, software bugs, and unusual situations that robots might not be ready for. And when it comes to emotions, a robot might lift things and follow instructions, but it does not have human feelings or the natural instincts that experienced nurses rely on. Many people are already worried that bringing robots into care settings might affect job security, or worse, remove the personal touch from health services. So, even though the future looks exciting, building trust will take more than strong features and showy demonstrations. Would you be comfortable letting a Tesla Optimus version 3 care for you or someone you love when they are ill or injured? Let us know in the comments. Type 1 if you are confident in the technology or 2 if you are hopeful but unsure. Thank you for staying with us. Now, let us get back to the price. Earlier this year, Elon Musk said Tesla could start offering humanoid robots to the public by the end of 2025. He added that over time, once large-scale production is up and running, the cost will likely fall between $20,000 and $30,000 United States dollars. This means in the beginning, the price could be much higher, maybe even between $50,000 and $70,000, due to research and development costs, and the early-stage custom production of this advanced technology. While that might sound expensive, many believe Optimus is a long-term investment that quickly pays for itself. With the ability to do difficult and repetitive jobs across many fields, from making cars to caring for the elderly, Optimus does not only cut labor costs. It also increases how much work can get done. And as the technology improves and becomes cheaper, the savings and value Optimus adds will easily balance out the upfront cost, especially in industries that need round-the-clock performance. So even if it starts at $50,000, the value you get may far exceed that price. And do not forget, that is only the starting cost. Once Tesla begins building more, that price is likely to fall to about $20,000, half the price of a regular electric car, just as Musk promised. In the early stage, Tesla's Optimus Gen 1 will mostly be used in its own factories. More than 1,000 units are expected to help improve production lines and test operations. Once version 2 is ready, Tesla plans to sell to outsiders, starting with big companies that are facing worker shortages like Amazon, FedEx, and Walmart. These companies are expected to be among the first buyers. Some early customers may even pay more than $50,000 for one robot, not just because of its usefulness, but also because of the Tesla brand and the fact that it is something new and rare. For individual users, Musk said there will be a rental program. People can try Optimus before they decide to buy. Early guesses say the rental fee could range from $100 to $500. Meanwhile, other companies are also pushing forward. Just days ago, the Tesla diner officially opened, and to show off their tech, Tesla had Optimus hand out popcorn to guests. The crowd loved it. Many began to think, what if I had one of these robots at home? That dream may be closer than we think. Tesla plans to release a working prototype in the next 3 months and begin full-scale manufacturing early next year. Let us talk about movement. Degrees of freedom refer to how many different ways a robot can move. Think of a robotic arm, it might twist, bend, go up or down. Each of those is a degree of freedom. Optimus version 3 has more joints, motors, and smart sensors, which makes it much more agile. Version 2.5 can do about 1,500 basic tasks. But version 3 could double that. Why? Because with more freedom of motion, it can carry out more jobs. For example, version 2.5 could gently hold an egg. Version 3 could break the egg, cook it, and place it neatly on a plate. That is the level of progress we are talking about. Even so, Musk admitted that building Optimus version 3 is extremely hard. Tesla has had to create every part from scratch, motors, sensors, control systems, and everything in between. In contrast, a robot from Figure AI was recently seen loading clothes into a washing machine. But it stopped there, it did not add detergent or press the start button. Tesla's Optimus, on the other hand, was shown dancing in a factory, spinning, jumping, and staying perfectly balanced, all without support wires or visual tricks. Optimus is now fitted with a hand that has 22 joints. Handling soft materials is now only a matter of time. Musk made it clear, Tesla's robot has to be built from the ground up because nothing off the shelf works. Every motor, gearbox, circuit, and sensor is custom designed. The robot learns to use its parts through neural networks, just like Tesla's self-driving vehicles. Musk said Tesla is speeding up production. By the year 2030, he believes Tesla could be making up to 100,000 Optimus robots every month. He also admitted that the first couple of years will be difficult, problems with suppliers, delays, and other challenges are expected. But Tesla is determined. At first, people thought Optimus was only for Tesla's own use. But Musk has since confirmed that the company will launch a smaller batch for wider use in 2025. He believes thousands will soon be operating in Tesla factories alone. Looking forward, robots will dominate future industries. Automation is no longer just an option, it is key to sustainable growth. Musk has always dreamed of building machines that make other machines. Optimus fits perfectly into that mission. In Tesla's recent footage, Optimus is seen walking through a busy workspace full of machines and people. It finds its way, figures out where to go, and adapts to the surroundings, just like a human would. That is a big deal in complex places like Tesla's gigafactories. Right now, there is a shortage of around 300,000 workers in United States manufacturing. In storage and delivery jobs, the gap is even bigger, between 600,000 and 700,000 unfilled roles. Robots have been considered for these jobs before, but now the artificial intelligence has finally caught up. Modern robots can not only move, but think, react, and learn. That is why robots like Optimus are gaining attention. Elon Musk believes that Optimus may be Tesla's most important product, one that could reshape the company's future and increase its worth into the tens of trillions. While that sounds ambitious, the world of robotics is gaining traction. Investors are betting big. Analysts believe the humanoid robot industry could reach $38 billion by the year 2035. Every month, new competitors enter the scene from California to China. The race is on. What do you believe is most important for Optimus to succeed? Lower pricing, amazing features, or public trust? Leave a comment and let us know. Thanks for watching this video on AMP Drive. If you are excited about the future of Tesla EV and Optimus, please tap the like button, share this video, and subscribe so you never miss an update from us. We truly value your support. See you in the next one.